Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cleaning around the decal with rubbing alcohol to remove wax and oils. This helps adhesives release. Next, heat the decal evenly. Keep the heat gun or hair dryer moving to about a comfortable distance, so the adhesive softens, not the paint. Once the decal is warm, pry up an edge using a plastic scraper or dental floss. Work slowly and at a low angle so you remove the film rather than stretch it. If an edge resists, reheat that small section before continuing. This prevents tearing. Once you have an edge lifted, peel the decal slowly at about a 45-degree angle. Steady, consistent motion prevents adhesive liftoff or tearing. As you go, reapply gentle heat to any tight spots so the backing releases cleanly. After the film is off, treat remaining adhesive with a citrus-based solvent or isopropyl alcohol. Apply, let sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. Make sure to test any solvent on an inconspicuous area, first to confirm paint compatibility. To finish, wash the area with mild soap and water, rinse and dry. This reveals any remaining haze or residue. If you see a light adhesive film, use a clay bar or a fine polish with a foam pad. Work gently to avoid clear coat thinning. Once clean, apply a coat of wax or paint sealant to restore UV protection and blend the finish. If adhesive won't come off or you notice paint lifting, stop and consult a professional to prevent further damage. This is your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.